Hi, this is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about how to use a script task for mailing an attachment from one mail to other Gmail. So for this process, I have opened a new SSIS package and I have drag and dropped this script task from this SSIS toolbox. So after that, double click on SSIS script task. Then in this Microsoft Visual, this is in which Microsoft Visual Basic is this. In this, we are going to edit the script. Here, I am not using any variables over here. I am hard coding the Gmail ID and password over here, and from there I am going to give all this from to edit subject and everything, body of that and everything over here in this see in this coding. There's a edit in this script I am going to do. For that, first of all, what we have to do is we have to write this some system built-in classes like using system.net.mail and using system.net should be added for this, and for emailing these properties for this action to be done. Here what I in this main in this main function, in this main, what to do is here I have given hard coded the username as script test ssis and 1123 is the Gmail ID and this password is this password. And after that I have created a client and I'm host and put all these credentials. I have given network credentials as username, password I have passed here. And then next thing is here mail address from where it has to be come, like from where it's going to send our mails. So for from address, this mail address will be script test ssis and that one with the name as ssis I have given. And then message, what is the message should be given, message from address and to whom this Gmail has to go, and then the subject of that mail will be sample SSIS script example, and is this message dot is body HTML to be true. And next thing, what is the body of that message? This is a script mail with an attachment, that is what I have given. And then there's attachments like message dot attachments add here, where what text file should be added, that one it is given as an attachment over here. So this is how this attachment all is given, and the client send message. So this is how, these are the important one which we have to write as a hard code thing. Like what we are going here, what I have done, like I have hard coded like username and password I have given over here only. In the next video I will be explaining about how to give this user ID and password and everything as an variables and how to be executed that one. For in this video, this is a hard code one. This username and password I have given as a hard coded one, and I have created a client and that host and port and SSL and enable SSL, all these credentials I have given for the client. And network credentials, like what is our network credentials should be given, and the mail address, like from where it has to go, to whom it has to go, like subject, everything I have written here in hard coded all over here. So this is how this script I am saving this one. So next thing is now what I will then hit OK over here. The other main thing is here, it's in the this script one, that Gmail ID which I am going to use is H, which I have used is SSIS sample script test one. In that we have to give in that Gmail ID with the script test SSIS 1123. This is a Gmail from which it's going to go to the other Gmail ID. So we have to give this allow less secure apps on. We have to go to Gmail account, and there you have to give this allow less secure apps on, otherwise some security reasons it will give some error for us. It will raise some error. So first of all we have to like a Gmail account, we have to, for that particular Gmail account we have to secure this allow less secure apps to be on. So next thing I am going to execute this script task, you can see over here that tick mark will be coming. So our email has been gone from. So now if you check here, if I open Gmail here, psriyansh.g4, see here, this is a new mail, sample SSIS script, and this is a script mail which I have given as a body, and this is this mail which I have given. You can see if I will open this script task again, edit script. See here, you can see here what I have given here. See all this one as a subject. This is like a two. For this Gmail ID, it has come like bsriyansh.g4.com. This is a mail ID. The subject is what? Sample SSIS script example. That is what we have given here. Subject as sample. This sample SSIS, this is the body, this is a example with an attachment, and this is the attachment which it has been added, so that you can see here. So this is the attachment, student dot underscore, this is the attachment which it has been attached. This is how the script task here I have created will do. It will mail from one mail ID to the other mail ID with an attachment. So this is the process in this video I have done. In the next video I am going to do this script task with the variables also. Thank you for listening. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my video.